Problem 3. Sean wrote the equation below to solve a word problem. Which word problem is best represented by Sean's equation? Sean's equation is p minus 7 equals 22. The first answer choice, it says Mrs. Eleuteris loaned Mrs. Nix 7 pairs of shoes from her closet. She now has 22 pairs of shoes. What is p, the number of shoes she originally had in her closet? Well, if she originally had p shoes and she loaned Mrs. Nix 7 pairs, loaned 7 would be taking 7 away from p, so p minus 7. And it says she now has 22 pairs of shoes. So after loaning the 7, she has 22. So it actually looks like answer choice A is the correct answer to match that equation. But I would be suspicious if the very first one I tried worked. So let's check the other answer choices. We should always, if we have time on a test, we should always check all the answer choices anyway. So answer choice B says Olivia downloaded 22 new songs from iTunes. She put 7 of the new songs on a mix CD. What is P, the number of new songs not on the mix CD? So of the 22 new songs, she put 7 on the mix CD. So the number that are on the mix CD would be 22 songs that are not on the mix CD, excuse me. The number that are not on would be 22 minus the 7 that are on. 22 minus 7 would equal P, the number of new songs not on the mix CD. If she put 7 on, there would be 15 that weren't on the CD, so 22 minus 7 equals P. That's not equivalent to the equation we're looking for. Answer choice C, Jay completed 7 of his last 22 passes in the football game. What is P, the total number of passes he attempted in the game? Well, he completed 7 of 22, but 22 is the total that he attempted. So 22 equals P in this case. 7 would be the number that he completed. If they had asked us the number of passes he didn't complete, it would be 22 minus 7, but they're just asking for the number of P equals the number of passes that he attempted, and he attempted 22, so it's just 22 equals P. Answer choice D asks us, or says, Emily baked 22 cupcakes. She gave away 1/7 of the cupcakes on Monday. What is P, the number of cupcakes she had left? So she started with 22, and she gave away, so we would subtract from the 22 1/7 of the cupcakes. 1/7 of 22 is 1/7 times 22, and that would equal P, the cupcake she has left. But that's nothing like our equation that we're looking for. So in fact, the first one was the correct answer. P minus 7 equals 22. I'm going to take a quick look at number 4 and see if we can get that done on this video. Yes, we can. Okay, what value of x will make this equation true? Again, I took a lot of time on number 1, but now that we've done number 1, you've seen the process. So we're just going to take our equation and consider it like a balance scale, 2 sides of the equation. The side that has the variable x, I'm going to undo any operations on that side, so I need to undo this addition. We can undo addition with the inverse operation, which is subtraction. So I can subtract 12. And if I do that on that side, on the left side, I have to do the same thing on the right side. Subtract 12 from the right side. This plus 12 minus 12 goes away because that's just 0. So on the left side I have x, and on the right side I have 21 minus 12, which is excuse me, 9. So x should equal 9. But we have to put it back in our original equation to check it to make sure. X plus 12 equals 21. If x equals 9, then 9 plus 12 should equal 21. And 9 plus 12 does equal 21. So that checks out. So x does equal 9. We can circle that answer. Okay, we'll pick up the review with problem number 5 on the next video.